Hello parents and teachers, I am Dr. G. Senthil Kumar, Chairman, Helix Open School and Learning Center. Thank you very much for subscribing the channel. The people who haven't subscribed, my kind request is subscribe and click the button so that you will get the updated videos which I am talking on a different subjects with regard to children with specific learning disability. Last two videos, the NIOS and homeschooling, and with regard to vocational skill required for specific learning disability children, got a very good views. So thank you all once again. Now one of the questions asked in that video, what are the skills that we can train our children in the area of vocation? So I will try to help you out in suggesting some of the required skills where you people can concentrate. From the beginning, I have been advocating education and vocational skill should go hand in hand. That's the must. Unfortunately, in regular school, it doesn't work that way. So when you are in open school, there is a wider opportunity and there is a time for parent to choose the required skills by looking at the future aspect of it. See, every now and then, United Nations comes out with a list of skills that are required for future. So like some of the common skills like communication skill, critical thinking, creativity, collaboration are very important. Now when it comes to vocational skills, let's see some of the needed area, the required area where children will immediately get a employment. Now why we talk about vocational skill for specific learning disability? Sometimes they may not score the required mark, or in spite of getting the mark in college, they might complete the degree or they might be dropping out. So in that case, they have to bag on their skills. That's where this vocational skill plays a very important role. In Helix Open School, right from 4th standard, we start introducing basic skills like agriculture, plumbing, electrical and electronics, fine arts, cooking, food related productions, physical education related vocational aspect. All these things are given opportunity. Now what happens to a child from the beginning when he gets such opportunity? He might be able to understand his strength. Based on that, he can select a curriculum also. So that's important, no? So let's see some of the other skills which required, vocational skills which is available for the students with specific learning disability. The hot cake industry is 3D printing technician. Future is going to be full of 3D printing. Right from your constructions, right from your material, everything can be produced through 3D printing. So that technical aspect children can learn. Food technology, food production, always a booming industry. So children who are interested in bakery, cookies and other areas of food related aspect can really get trained on that. Wind energy and solar energy technician, much required for the future. That's a hot cake again, I would say. So children can be given exposure to that area and can get trained. Always the young vocational studies or the basic vocational studies, plumbing, electrical, electronics, we have to teach them, and basic of mechanics. I can give you an example. Two students from Helix Open School, in spite of all the remedial teaching, in 10th standard, they were not able to clear. The parents got really worried. I told them, let's not worry. These children are very good in kinesthetic and spatial intelligence. There are programs in Chennai where you can train them in the engine repairing, car engine repairing. It was a 1.5 years program done by leading company like. So we introduced those training to the children. They went there. They spent around 1.5 years. You won't believe, parents, they came out with such a wonderful training. At present, one student, after working for 4 years in a car industry, he is going to set up his own wheel balancing and a mechanical shed. See, he is confident now. He has become an entrepreneur. For him, the education was not a challenge anymore. So this is why looking at vocational skills are very, very important. Of course, fine arts. There are various fine arts program children can go through and learn and get a certificate. Today, movement, drama, body therapy. That's a beautiful training they can learn. Art therapy is always there. Physical therapist. See, in few years' time, India's old age problem, that's a geriatric problem, is going to be on a higher level. So people need to work with geriatric patients. So that physical therapist is one of the wonderful vocational study the children can go through. What are the other areas? Digital world. Now digital marketing, poster making, digital content, videography, my goodness, these are all an upcoming field where children have a lot of interest and they can do wonders. So that again a vocational aspect. Then mobile phone repairs, mobile phone accessories, all these things comes into place. Smart building technician. This is something interesting. Smart building technician. Few years time, our entire home and office will be full of automations. So that for that automation repairing and automation consultancy, this vocational program will be of a greater help for children with specific learning disability. Apart from that, poultry is there, then agriculture, food processing, supervisory skill, sales skill. Sales skill is a ever young vocation that we can look at like. So my only request is, opportunities are there are hundreds of programs, but you people have to decide what comes naturally to children. Otherwise, you could teach them the functional skills of it and train them in some of the technological area, analytical skill. All this will help children to get a job. So let's not worry, parents and teachers. If the children are failing badly in academics, don't ever tell them you will not be succeeding in life. Vocation is the best part. Future, we need crores and crores of youngsters who require skill setting to help this economy to grow. So if you have any challenges, any doubts with regard to vocational skill program, don't hesitate to call me. Subscribe the video, ask more such relevant questions. I'll be happy to answer to your questions. Thank you very much.